How to request money with Zelle. First of all, open the app on your device or access Zelle through your bank's mobile app. Next, tap on the request option on the home screen to start a new request. Now enter the email address or mobile number of the person you want to request money from. Make sure the information is accurate so the request reaches the correct person. After that, enter the amount you want to request and add a note if you want to explain the reason, such as your dinner or rent contribution. Review all the details carefully, then tap Request to send the payment request. The recipient will receive a notification and can send the money instantly. Finally, remember to check your notifications to confirm when the money has been sent. Using Zelle for request is fast, secure, and convenient for personal or small business transactions. Now you know how to request money with Zelle. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.